Let's solve this problem. It's in a book of Saxon Algebra, and if you can do it, let me first read the description. 3 consecutive integers in such a way that the product of the first two integers equals the product of -6 times the third integer. Alright, if you like to solve it, it's not very difficult. Otherwise, let's try. So these 3 consecutive integers, I would rather write them like this. The one in the middle is x. The one before is x minus 1. And the one after is x plus 1. Okay, so the product of the first two, that means x times x minus 1, I commute the order here, the first, the second, and the first is the same thing, equals the product of -6 times x plus 1. Let's see what we get here. This will be x squared minus x equals -6 minus 6x, sorry, minus 6. Okay, let's move everything to the left, and that will be x squared. Here we have minus x plus 6x, that will be plus 5x, and the minus 6 becomes positive when we move it here, plus 6 equals 0. Okay, let's see what numbers we get here. We can solve it using a quadratic formula. It's a quadratic equation here. Or we can try to find two numbers which, when added, will get 5. Let's say and one is 2, the other one is 3. If we add these two numbers, 2 plus 3 is 5, and if you multiply them, we get 6. So that will be, then we can write this as x minus 2, no, x plus 2, sorry, times x plus 3 equals 0. That's the a way to solve it without using the quadratic formula. And in this case, x should be either x equals -2, or the other solution is x minus 3. So we can, let's see, so we have two solutions here. -2, we'll change this to 0, so we get a product here by 0, and this also -3 will make it this 0, and the product will be 0. So either one will solve this equation. Let's see, if x is -2, the previous one, that will be -1, -2, and no, sorry, the previous one is -3, and then the x plus 1, that will be -1. Let's verify if this works. If we multiply -3 times -2 equals 6, which is exactly -6 times -1, which is positive 6 also. So this solution verifies this equality. Let's try the other solution, -3. If x is -3, this x is -3, the previous one is -4, and the next one will be -2. Let's see if this verifies also this condition. If we multiply the first and the second, -4 times -3, that will be 12. And -6 times the third one is also 12. So both of them, -3 and -2, are the solutions for this problem. Thanks.